Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. At the end of this video, you will know what is a contour map and how to create a contour map. First of all, what are contours? Contours are the lines on a map that shows the shape of the land and height of the ground. They make a 2D map feel like a 3D adventure. That is exactly we call it as contour map. What is contour interval? The space between the contour lines is known as contour interval. The smaller interval represents more details and the larger interval shows a simple map. Now we will see how to create contour maps. Before doing a contour map, we have to download the digital elevation model. Now I am searching for Bhuvan DEM in Google and click on the first link. In the category, select satellite sensor and in the subcategory Cartosat1. The product is Cartodem all versions. Here you can see the Indian region is divided into grids. So based upon your study area, you can select a particular grid and click on the tiles option. After selecting, you can choose this metadata and whatever information needed you can see in this metadata. Metadata is nothing but data about the data. So I am choosing this third option and click download. For downloading, you need to have a login ID in Bhuvan. After downloading, I will place this downloaded file in a separate folder in order to avoid confusions. And extract the file. Here I have a TIFF file which is our DEM image. I will just rename it as Contour Chennai. Now open our GIS software. Here I have used QGIS. Select a new empty project and enable the base map. I will enable the OpenStreetMaps. And then go to layers and create a new shapefile layer. I will create my study area boundary now with this option. I will select a folder where that file has to be saved. I am creating a new folder as study area and saving this file as study area. Click save. And the geometric type is polygon. And you can get rid of this default field and include n number of attribute data. Whatever the data we need, we can add it as a field. In this case, I am just adding few fields like name. Only one field I am adding. And enable this toggle editing so that we can start digitizing. Only if you enable the toggle editing, you can digitize. Then zoom into your study area as much as possible. Here I am taking this as my study area. And at the last point, right click so that the field will be coming. Whatever the data we have given is coming on the screen. And finally you have to save this and stop editing. Now I will bring the downloaded DEM image, which is Chennai style. Here you can see the DEM image is for the entire Chennai region, but my study area is only a small part in this Chennai region, Chennai tile. Now I will clip the raster by mask layer, which means I don't want other areas. I only need my study area region alone. So for my study area I need a clipped DEM image only for my study area. See, now I have clipped the study area boundary like this, and I will get rid of the old Chennai contour. I don't want the other Chennai DEM image. So right click and remove the layer. Now I have only 3 layers. One is for my study area, a DEM image, and now we are going to create a contours. For that, go to raster, extraction, and then you can click on the contour. Before that, I will just recolor this particular DEM file. For that, you can go for the symbology, right click symbology, and choose a color ramp. You have so many options like this. Select any one option and then click apply. Here is, in this case, you can see the darker green color represents higher elevation, and you can rename this file by going to the properties and source. I will rename this one as study area contour. Click apply, OK. Now we will create contours. For creating contours, you can go to the raster, extraction, and click on the contour. Now it is asking for the input layer, and it is asking for the contour interval. Now for the study area, it has automatically updated the contour map with the help of the DEM. If you look into the attribute table, you can see the number of same elevation points. Now I will change the color to a darker color for a better visualization. Now you can clearly see the contour lines formed. You can enable the labels. For example, here every contour has a elevation value. I am making that elevation value visible on the screen. For that, you can go to the label option and enable it. Now you can see the values of each contour line. The elevation values of each contour line will be appearing on the screen if you enable the label option. And finally, we are going to create a map out of this. I will reduce the base map transparency, then only I can clearly visualize the contour map, and go to the new print layout and name this layout as contour map. Now imagine this as a piece of paper. In our channel we have already discussed in so many videos about the standard map creation. You can follow the tutorial. By adding map, whatever there in the screen will be displayed on our print layout. If we zoom in here, then it will be updated in our print layout option as well. And then the common map features like title of the map, labels, north arrow, and all the details should be updated. You can watch our previous tutorials for creating a standard map like this. And finally, you can use this export option. Here I am saving this map as a PNG format file. Now if you go to the folder and see the contour map, we finally created a contour map. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe and share if you found this useful.